All right, welcome back. We have our segment addition postulate, but this is our problems. These are our multi-step equations that we're solving with the segment addition postulate. Now, the first thing that we should do is write out our segment addition postulate. US plus SC equals UC. So part US plus the other part SC, if I add those two pieces up, I would get the whole segment. And now we can plug in those known values or substitute in those numbers. X plus 8 plus x plus 1. Now that equals 5x minus 15. And we need to get into the habit of recognizing when we need to switch our brain from solving equations, moving things to different sides of the equal sign, to how I would simplify just one side of the equal sign. Now remember, if something is on the same side of the equal sign as its like term, we can just do exactly what we see. We can combine them, and I have a positive 1x and a positive 1x. That's one set of like terms. So those combine, 1x plus 1x gets me 2x. And I also have a positive 8 and a positive 1. And if I combine those, I get a 9. And that is equal to 5x minus 15. So let me just separate those two. Now we can go ahead and solve and use our opposite operations, those inverse operations, to solve for x. So I have a 2x and a 5x. So I will move my 2x over by doing the opposite of 2x. I'm left with a 9 equals 3x minus 15. And then from here we know that I'm trying to get the x term by itself. I want to solve for x. So what do I need to get rid of? Well, I need to get rid of that negative 15. So to get rid of negative 15, I'll do the opposite. And remember, the reason why we're doing the opposite operation is because I'm moving that negative 15 to the other side of the equal sign. If I was not moving it to the other side of the equal sign, then I would not need to do the opposite operation. So 24 equals 3x. And then I can solve and x equals 8. My pen is wavering a bit. Number 6, same idea. So why don't you pause the video, try it, unpause, and check your work. We have ST plus TL equals SL. That's our segment addition postulate. And if I write that out with my numbers, ST was 6x plus 2, TL was 1x plus 1, and SL is 18x minus 52. Okay, again, we've got to identify if it's on the same side of the equal sign, I don't have to do my opposite operations. So like terms, 6x and 1x, if I combine those, that is a 7x. And now I have my like terms of a positive 2 and a positive 1. Those combine to a positive 3. And the reason why I can do that without using opposite operations is because I'm not moving these to the other side of the equal sign. They're just staying on the same side of the equal sign. So that is simplified now, and that's equal to 18x minus 52. And then we can just solve from here. So I have my like terms of a 7x and 18x. I'll move the smaller x term over. And since it's going to the other side of the equal sign, I'll do my opposite operations. Same idea. Now I'm trying to solve for the x, so what do I need to get rid of? I need to get rid of that negative 52. And how do I get rid of a negative 52? How do I move it to the other side? I'll use my opposite operation of a positive 52. Let's see, 11x equals 55, or x equals 5. So that's our segment addition postulate extension with multi-step equations. Let me know what questions you have. Send me an email or send me a chat during class or drop into office hours, but I will see you guys in our next class period.